Hello students, we are going to see the practical part of order processing in this video. Let's see the list of transactions. And here we have a table and we have the list of column headings, date, party, particulars, order due on, stock item, quantity, rate and valid. Purchase order processing. Here we have three different transactions and all these transactions are to be recorded in the inventory voucher, that will be purchase order voucher. The first transaction, the date is 1st of April. Party name is Prasad and Company. Particulars, order placed for purchases. Order due is on 1st of May. Stock item is Onita 21 inches TV. Quantity is 50. Rate is 10,000 and total value is 5 lakh. Okay. For order processing, date is very important for tracking the things. Let's see how to pass this particular entry in Tally. Order processing, the company is already created. We are in the gateway of Tally. Right now we will go back to transactions, inventory vouchers. Okay, just press enter and here we can see stock journal is open and here we have a list of inventory vouchers. Purchase order we have, sales order we have, delivery note, receipt note, correct? But all these are not activated. We have to do the activation. How this can be done? From inventory voucher creation window, bottom right hand side, here we have features, company features or even we can call here Tally features also, right? The shortcut key is function key F11. Just click on this one, right? This will take us to inventory features, correct? And bottom left hand side, order processing is there, correct? Take the pointer here, right? Allow purchase order processing, make it S. Later allow sales order processing, make it S. Okay. Once this is done, later come down. Additional inventory vouchers, use tracking numbers. In the set of parentheses, we have delivery / receipt notes. No is there, we have to make it S. Once we deliver the products to the customer or once we receive the material from the supplier, correct? These vouchers have to be activated. Press Y from the keyboard. Later, to accept this one, press Y. Correct? The purchase order voucher is activated. Correct? And here we can see the shortcut key, that will be Alt and function key F4. Just click on this one. Right? 1st of April 2021 has come down, correct? Then enter. Party's account name has to be entered, right? This has to be created. We can do the creation from the inventory voucher creation. Alt C to create. Prasad and Company. Alias will be blank and this has to be allocated under the group, that will be sundry creditors. Just type starting letter S, down arrow key, then later to save and quit back, Control A. Order number is not provided in the question. We can just enter here the order number, that is purchase order number or PO number. I just provide here 1, 2, 3. Later we have to go for creating the purchase account. Alt C to create. This has to be allocated under the group purchase accounts. Just type P, down arrow key, then save, press Y from the keyboard. Name of the item. Name of the item is Onita 21 inches. This has to be created. Alt C to create. From the voucher creation window itself, we can go for creating stock item, stock group, stock category, units of measure. All the things can be created. It's not required that we have to go back to Gateway of Tally, Masters, then Inventory. Just press Alt C. To stock item creation secondary window, right? Just type here Onita 21 inches, alias will be blank, and this has to be allocated under the group TV. Alt C to create, then Control A. Units of measure has to be created, that will be numbers. Alt C to create. Numbers, decimal 0, except Y. Not applicable, alternate units. Tax information we are not providing here. Then later see Y. Okay. Here due on, as per the question given, it is on 1st of May, right? This has to be entered 1-5, then 21. Quantity is 50. Rate is 10,000. Then the total amount. Later, type the narration, then save. Correct. The next one. The next transaction, this is on 2nd of April. Party name is Jyoti and Company. Order placed for purchase. Order due, it is on 2nd of May. Stock item is LG 300 liter fridge. Quantity is 40, rate is 13,000. Okay. Right now we will do this particular recording. Purchase order voucher number 2, and here the date has to be changed, correct? Function key F2, 2nd of April, right? Okay. Next, party's account name, which has to be created, that is Jyoti and Company, right? Alt C to create. Copy paste. Suppose if we have the data in soft copy, we can do copy paste. How this can be done? Just do copy, Control C, then later go back to Tally. In Tally we have to make use here Control Alt V to paste. Okay. Control Alt and V to paste. Alias will be blank and this will be allocated under the group, that will be sundry creditors. Then Control A. Order number we will provide here 456. Purchase account, name of the item has to be created. Alt C to create. LG 300. Then here we have to create the group, that will be fridge. Alt C to create. Then Control A. Numbers not applicable. Tax information we are not providing. Then save. Due on, it is on 2nd of May. 2-5-21. Quantity is 40. Rate is 13,000. And this will be the total amount. Later type the narration, then see. The last transaction for purchase order, it is on 2nd of April. Party name is SV Prabhu. Particulars, order placed for purchase. Order due, it is on 2nd of May. Stock item is Videocon 5-liter washing machine. Quantity is 30. Rate is 15,000. Okay. Purchase order voucher number 3, 2nd of April. Party name has to be created. I'll see to create. Alias will be blank. Sundry creditors, control A. Order number 789. Purchase account. The stock item has to be created. I'll see to create. Videocon. The stock group has to be created. I'll see to create. Washing machine. Then save. Numbers not applicable. Later save. Press Y from the keyboard. It is due on 2nd of May. Quantity is 30 and the amount is 15,000. Type the narration, later save. We have seen how to record the transaction in purchase order voucher when the company places the order to the supplier. Right now, in this table, once the company receives the goods, in that case, where the recording has to be done? It has to be done in receipt note voucher. Okay, let's see the first transaction, that is 1st of May. Party name Prasad and Company. Particulars is what? Goods received. Stock item. Quantity is 50. Rate. Okay, let's see this particular recording in Tally. And right hand side we can see here receipt note, and the shortcut key is Alt and function key F9. Just click on this one. This will take us to receipt note. And here we are receiving the material on 1st of May. Change the date. Function key F2. Right. 1st of May. Alright. Reference number can be given here. I just provide here 11111. Party's name, it is Prasad and Company. Purchase account. Name of the item is what? Onida. See here the tracking number 111 for receipt note. Order number was 123. Quantity is 50 numbers. Rate, right. And here we can see the due was on 1st of May. On the same date we are receiving the material. End of the list. Later type the narration, then save. The next one. 2nd of May, party name Jyoti and Company, goods are received, stock item quantity, we are receiving the quantity only 50, the amount, okay, but we have placed the order for 40, but we are receiving just only 15, okay. Let's see this particular recording. This is for 2nd of May, 2nd May, right? Reference number 222. Party's account name is Jyoti and Company. Purchase account, name of the item is LG 300. Tracking number of receipt note. Order number was 456, which we have entered. Due was on 2nd of May. On the same date we are receiving the material, but we are not receiving 40 quantity. We are receiving just only 15. End of the list. Later type the narration, then save. The next one. The last entry for receipt note voucher. Here we are receiving the material on 1st of June. Party name Prabhu, goods received, item is Videocon washing machine, quantity order placed was 30, but we are receiving only 80, and the rate. Let's see this particular recording. Change the date because it is of 1st of June. Reference number 333. Party's name is SV Prabhu. Purchase account, name of the item is what? Washing machine, Videocon. Tracking number of receipt note. PO number was 789. The due was on 2nd of May, but we are receiving on 1st of June. Order placed was 30, but we are receiving only 18, quantity 18. Later type the narration, then save. After receiving the material, we have seen how to do the recording in receipt note voucher, correct? Later the entry has to be passed in purchase voucher invoice mode. Let's see for the first one, that is 1st May, party name, particulars is what? Purchases recorded, stock item, quantity, rate, okay. Right now we are in inventory voucher creation, correct? But we have to record it in purchase voucher invoice mode. Whether we have to go back to accounting vouchers, whether we have to go back to gateway of tally, transactions, accounting vouchers, not required. From the inventory voucher creation window itself, we can press the key, that will be function key F9. I am repeating once again that from inventory voucher creation window itself, we can press the key, that will be function key F9, which will take us to accounting voucher creation window, and here the purchase voucher is open, and that too in invoice mode. Right now we have to change the date, correct? 1st of May. 1st of May, right? Then later we can provide even the reference number. I just provide here just one. Party's name is Prasad and Company. Purchase account, name of the item is what? Onida, right? And here the tracking number, we have to select for this one because at the time of receipt note, we have provided 111, right? Can we see a tracking number? Receipt note is 111. PO number, that is purchase order number, is 123. Due was on 1st of May. Quantity received is 50 and the amount. End of the list. Later, type the narration, then save. Next one. Next transaction, 2nd of May, party name Jyoti and company. Purchase recording has to be done. Stock item, quantity is 50 and the amount. Change the date, 2nd of May. Reference number will be 2. Party's name is Jyoti and company. Purchase account, name of the item is fridge. And the receipt note tracking number is 222. And here we can see the PO number. Due was on 2nd of May. And we have received the quantity, that is 15 numbers, and the rate. Correct? End of the list. Type the narration, then save. Right now, the last entry which has to be done on 1st of June. Party name, recording has to be done, and purchase voucher invoice mode. Stock item, Videocon 5-liter washing machine. Quantity received was 18 amount. Let's see this particular recording. 1st of June. Change the date. Okay, we will provide the reference number will be 3. And here, Prabhu, purchase account, name of the item is Videocon. Receipt note tracking number is 333. PO number is 789. Quantity received was 18 numbers. Rate 15,000. Later, type the narration, save. The next is regarding about sales order processing. Sales order is nothing but an order placed by the customer for the delivery of goods. And here we can see the first transaction. All the 3 transactions has to be recorded in the sales order inventory voucher. Let's see the first transaction, which has to be recorded on 1st of April. The party name is Arun and company. Particulars is what? Order recorded for sales, that is sales order. And order due will be what? 1st of May. Stock item is what? Nida 21, quantity 30, rate is 12,000. Let's see this particular recording. Sales order voucher number 1. We are in inventory voucher creation. And right now the date has to be changed. Function key F2. 1st of April. Right. Then party's account name has to be created. Alt C to create. Arun and company. And this has to be allocated under the group, that will be sundry debtors. Later, Control A to save and put back. We will provide here the order number. We just provide here 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. Sales account has to be created. Alt C to create. And this has to be allocated under the group sales account. Later save. Name of the item is what? Onita 21 inches. Due is on what? 1st of May. Quantity is what? 30. Rate is what? Purchase rate, selling rate will be different. Later save this one, press Y from the keyboard. The next one, it is on 2nd of April. The party name is Ranveer and Company. Sales order recording has to be done. Due is on 2nd of May. LG 300 liter fridge, quantity 15, amount is 14,500. Let's see this particular recording. Change the date, right, 2nd of April. Party's name has to be created. I'll see to create. Alias blank, and this has to be allocated under the group, that will be sundry debtors. Control A. Order number 1331. Sales account. Name of the item is what? LG. Due is on 2nd of May. Right? Quantity is 15. Selling price 14,500. Then later write the narration, save. The last entry in sales order voucher, that is on 2nd of April, Bansal and Company. Order due, it is on 2nd of May. Correct. Then stock item is Videocon washing machine, quantity 5. Right. Then the amount is 16,500 per piece. Let's see this particular recording. 2nd of April. Party name has to be created. I'll see to create. Sundry debtors, Control A. Order number 1441. Sales account. Name of the item is Videocon. The due is on 2nd of May. Correct. Quantity is just only 5. 16,500. Later, type the narration, then save. Press Y from the keyboard. We have seen the recording in sales order voucher. Once the goods are delivered to the customer's location or place, later the entry has to be passed in delivery note voucher. Let's see the first transaction here. It is on 1st of May. Party name Arun and Company. Goods are delivered to the customer's place. Stock item, quantity, then the rate. Let's see this particular recording in delivery note inventory voucher. Right hand side we can see a delivery note, or else we can make use of the key, that will be Alt and function key applied. Just click on this one. Delivery note voucher number 1. The recording has to be done on 1st of May for the first entry. Change the date. 1st of May. Correct. We can provide here the reference number. It is provided here 11. Party's name is Arun and Company. Sales account. Name of the item is Onida. And here the tracking number, that is delivery number. Order number is 1221. 30 rate, and we can see the total amount. End of the list. Later type the narration, then save. Next one, it is on 2nd of May. Ranveer and Company. goods are delivered to the customer's place, stock item, quantity, rate. This has to be recorded on 2nd of May. Change the date by pressing the function key F. 2nd May, correct. Then reference number 22. Party's name is Ranveer and Company. Sales account, name of the item is what? LG. And here select the tracking number for delivery mode. Order number, we can see that is sales order number, quantity, then the rate, units of measure, total. Later type the narration, then save. Press Y from the key. The next one. The last entry for delivery note voucher, this is on 1st of June. Bansal and Company, goods delivered. Videocon washing machine, quantity 5, and the rate per piece or rate per unit. Correct? Okay. That is 16,500. Let's see this particular recording. Change the date. It will be delivered on 1st of June. Reference number for delivery note will be 33. Party's name is Bansal and Company. Sales account, name of the item is Videocon. Tracking number of delivery note is 33. Order number, that is sales order number. Quantity 5. Rate, units of measure, total amount. End of the list. Type the narration, then save. After delivering the goods to the customer's location, later the entry has to be passed in sales voucher invoice. And here comes out with the 1st of May, Arun and Company. Sales entry has to be passed. Name of the item, quantity is 30, rate is 12,000. Right? Here there was a change in the year that has been changed. Okay. 1st of May 2021. Okay. Let's see this particular recording in sales voucher invoice. From the inventory voucher creation window, we can switch back to accounting voucher creation. Just press the key, that will be function key F8. Right. Accounting voucher creation, sales voucher number 1. And here the recording has to be done for 1st of May, correct? Change the date. 1st of May 21. Reference number can be given. I just provide here 7. Party's name is Arun and Company. Sales account. Name of the item is what? Onita 21. And tracking number, that is delivery note number, reference number. And here we can see sales order number, quantity 30. Rate, units of measure, total amount. End of the list. Then type the narration, then save. Press Y from the keyboard. The next entry, it is of 2nd May 21, Ranveer and Company. It has to be recorded in sales voucher. Stock item is LG 300, quantity 15, rate is 14,500. Let's see this particular recording. After doing the recording in sales voucher, it will be switched back to inventory voucher creation. Again, press here function key F8. The recording has to be done on 2nd of May. Change the date. I just provide here 8. The party name is Ranveer and Company. Sales account. Name of the item is what? LG. And here delivery mode reference number is 22. And here we can see sales order number, right? Quantity, the due was on 2nd of May, correct? Date is very, very important in case of sales order processing, sales order and even purchase order processing. Quantity, rate, units of measure, total amount. End of the list. Later type the narration, then save. Okay. We will be switched back to inventory voucher creation. Right now the last entry in sales voucher, which has to be done on 1st of June, Bansal and Company, sales invoice raised. Stock item is Videocon washing machine, quantity is 5, rate is 16,500, value is total. Okay, we are back to Tally. Just press here function key F8. This will take us to accounting voucher creation window. And here the recording has to be done on 1st of June. Change the date by pressing function key F2. I just provide here the reference number 9. Party's name is Bansal and Company. Sales account name of the item is Videocon, correct? And here the delivery mode reference number was 33. Sales order number, we can see due was on 2nd of May, but it was delivered on 1st of June, correct? Quantity 5 numbers, 16,500, units of measure, total amount, end of the list. Later, type the narration, then save. Press Y from the. This will be switched back to inventory voucher creation. This completes the practical part of order processing, where we have seen purchase order, sales order, delivery, purchase voucher, sales voucher. Correct? Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel. Have a nice day.